our member. My name is Alicia Teresa Silvi. I'm Aprita Hinaga.
I'm Bintang Adra Nugraha.
At first, I would like to explain about the problem statement. There are 5 problem statements that we include. The first one is how to design a transporting line forward robot using appropriate line sensors and microcontrollers. The second one is how accurate is the robot in detecting and following the designated path. The third one, how well can the robot adapt to environmental changes such as obstacles or lighting variations. 4. How is the robot's capacity and stability in transporting loads according to the specification. And the last one is, should the robot be controllable through a user interface. The next one is the system requirement review that we include. There are 6 SRR. The first one is the robot must be able to follow a black line on a black surface stably. Second, the robot must be able to maneuver in sharp turns and branching intersections. 3, the robot must be light enough to move efficiently. 4, the robot must have sufficient battery life for long trials. 5, the robot must have a land following and obstacle avoidance system. And the last one is the robot must have good durability. And then the concept design. So here's the system diagram and the mechanical concept. The next one, please.
So today I'm gonna explain about program algorithm. It's about line follower robot algorithm. First one is system initialization. Set the pins for the motors of as outputs. Motor A, gear, and motor B gear pins control the motor direction. The motor A speed and motor B speed pins control the motor speed or PWM. PWM set the pins for the sensor as inputs. Sensor 1 to sensor 5, read the line condition black or white. Next, number 2 is reading sensor values. Read the values from the 5 sensors. Number 1 is sensor 1 far left, sensor 2 near left, sensor 3 middle, sensor 4 right, sensor 5 far right. And the 3 is sensor based decision, robot forward. If only the middle sensor or sensor 3 is active, the motor moves forward, robot turn left. If the far left sensor or sensor 1 near left sensor or sensor 2 or both are active, the left motor stops, the right motor moves forward to turn left. Robot turn right if the far right sensor or sensor 5, near right sensor or sensor 4 or both are active, the right motor stops, the left motor moves forward to turn right. Robot backward. If no line is detected by all sensors, the motors moves backward. Robot stop if special conditions such as the middle and near right sensor are active at the same time, the motor stops. Sensor 3 middle, sensor 4 near right, sensor 5 is far right. Next is about program. The next one is display sensor data to serial monitor for the body. Motor movement excitation, robot movement function according to decision. Forward is left and right, motors move forward at medium speed. Turn left is right motor move forward, left motor stops. Turn right is left This is the initial 3D design or the preliminary design.
Next, hardware selection. First, we use L293D motor cell, ESP, battery, NCR, battery holder, ball caster, BFD, 5-channel line sensor, motor DC N20, motor servo MG90S. Next, program flowchart. Next, final 3D design and confirmed hardware selection. First, we use motor driver, line sensor, battery, ESP, motor DC, and wheel. Software algorithm. Prototyping, result and testing. Draft design. Fully finalized version ready for implementing.
Okay, this is for project timeline. Week 1 project brief, week 2 for system requirement review, week 3 concept design, week 4 preliminary design, week 5 for critical design, week 6 draft design, week 7 final design, week 8 fabrication, week 9 assembly, week 10 programming, week 11 programming, week 12 test and operate, week 3 week 13 test and operate, week 14 test and operate, and this is for budget plan. As you can see,
So the last one is our resource management. As you can see, the first one is design. It's 3D robot design, create CSD sketches and design the component layout. Design the line path based on road and transportation scenario. Adjust robot size based on path width and payload size. Final revisions before printing or assembly is presented by Alicia Garza, me.
The number 2 is mechanical with the robot, frame using plug, drive system, component mounting such as motor sensors, wiring and battery holder, design and build transport mechanism was present by Aplikasi Nada.
Okay, next, electrical, motor wiring, connect motor to the drivers, line sensor setup, power supply, system charge, batteries, switch, and connection testing. Next, electrical, motor wiring, connect motor to drivers, line sensor setup, power supply system charge, batteries, switch, and connection testing. Verify sensor and motor connection. Present by Bintang Andra.
next programming, code basic line following, algorithm by PID, implement speed and direction controlling using PWM, testing sensor input, and combine all modules into a working final program. Present by me, Dr. Ramadan.
So that's all our project presentation. Thank you for attention and goodbye.